Sup YouTube, it's your boy Southside Customs back at it with another video, and today we got the RickOwens Chuck Tailor lacing and review tutorial. While designing a shoe, I took inspiration from the pictures. As you could see, this custom has been much anticipated, and without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so firstly you're going to need 3 sets of shoelaces with the length above. I preferably got them in 3 different textures to just help bring out the shoe and just give it a little bit more detail, but you could use whatever shoelace suits you. Just in case you're wondering where I got the stretchy shoelace from, the link is down in the description below, so if you'd like to purchase a pair, you could go check it out. If you don't have access to shoelaces that are 200 plus centimeters, you could stitch 2 pairs of shoelaces together like I did. And for those who are wondering if I added any extra material to enhance the shoe's overall look, the answer is yes. I added this leather piece of material that I hand stitched over the pre-made lacing holes. As you could see, I did this for that seamless effect to get it closer to that RickOwens look, and then I went ahead and attached leather strips of material to serve as extra lace hoops for the extra shoelaces. There's going to be a PDF diagram that I made if you'd like a more detailed description on how I got the shoe to look the way it does. If you're following along, this will be a lengthy process, but it's also going to be a rewarding one at the end. So don't be too hard on yourself when lacing. Just rewind as many times as you can to just get it on point, and you'll be okay. If putting the laces through this lacing hoops is as challenging as it is for me in this video, you could go ahead and add some eglets on the edge of the lacing tips to just facilitate this whole process and make it more easier for yourself. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you could also leave a follow on my Instagram page. These gestures would be much appreciated as it helps the channel grow. I'm also a little bit curious to see how your attempts actually turned out. If you could just forward me some videos or pictures of your attempts on my Instagram and I'll take a look. It's really fun to see people try out your ideas. So yeah, I'm really intrigued. Go ahead and I'll take a look. You should also know that I am kind of a Rick Owens fan, so I've added a link in the description below of the Rick Owens Fashion Walk 2021.